عمرو مجدي.
يمكن
Number 6.
عمر مصطفى.
نعم يا مستر.
Yes, Amr. Please, Amr, what is picture number 2?
لم.
Yes, number 1 is lamb. That's right. But I'm asking about number 2.
I want to answer.
It's I want to answer.
spoon.
Okay, you can.
Spoon.
I am Omar Mustafa.
I want to answer.
Spoon.
What is picture number 3?
Ruler.
Thank you. Muhammad Samir, what is picture number 4?
Chair.
Thank
H-A-I-R.
Excellent. Yusuf,
Okay.
I have to move. I can't leave you to write because time. Okay? You can watch the video and see the answers and write them later. Okay? Because the class is very short.
Where's the video in Coursera?
Yes, the video is in Coursera and on YouTube. I send the link every time.
Okay.
Students, we use the knife for our food. Our bike are made of metal. We use nails to make things. We use paper clip in our office. The question number 2. We wanted to match the words to the correct picture. Ibrahim Az, you put your microphone, please. Omar Ala.
Yes.
The first word, melt. Picture
Melt.
or 2 or 3?
2.
Thank you.
Mr.
Yasin Khalid.
Iron or rock.
Yes.
Rock.
Word number 2, iron ore.
One.
Yes. Yasin Khalid, what do we take from iron ore? Do we take copper or iron?
Iron.
Thank you.
This is
Qusay. Number the
Yes.
letter C, what is it?
3.
It is rock.
Number 1 is
Look here, students. These are the steps. First, we take iron ore from the mountain. We take iron ore from the mountain, ours from the ground, under the ground. What happens after this? Picture with a spoon, with fork and knife, or with oven, or melting. What happens next?
letter B.
Answer, raise your hand.
I know.
If you know, raise your hand, please. Yes, Mustafa hand. What is number? After we take the iron ore, we put it here or there?
There.
Okay, this is called the oven. This is called the oven. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you. So here, students, this is number 2.
2.
Now, who knows number 3? Raise your hand. I see here, Mustafa.
Me.
Mustafa Murad.
Me, yes, mister.
What is number 3?
This
4?
number
4
no,
or milk?
these. Milk.
Milk. That's right. This is number 3.
Number 4.
The number 4 is fork.
Knife. Page number 16.
This is 68. 68. In Egypt, we have many natural resources. Natural resource, we don't make it. It is in the ground and mountains. We don't make it with our hands, like iron ore. We don't make iron ore, but we make iron. We melt iron ore to take iron. Natural resource are things in the ground and in the mountain and in the water. We don't make it. Like the river Nile. The river Nile in Egypt, we don't make it. The sea, we don't make the sea. It's a natural resource. It is in nature. We don't make it with our hands. From this natural resource, we have something which is called the sand. What is it, students? Sand. We use sand from the nature. It's natural resource, but we use it to make glass. Glass is not natural resource. We make it with our hands. Now let's study how can we make the glass. How can we make the glass from the sand? Look at the picture.
Mister,
Yes.
can I go to bathroom?
Yes, you can go.
Yes.
Picture
You
number
can.
1. We take sand from the desert. In picture number 2, we add chemicals. Chemicals. Repeat after me. Chemicals.
Chemical.
Chemicals.
Chemical.
Yes.
Chemical.
Chemicals.
You have a question? Okay. So we take sand from the desert. We add chemicals. Chemicals are things from chemistry, like calcium, like copper. These are called the chemicals. We put some of them to the sand. After this, what happened? Then we put everything in a bowl. What is the meaning of everything? It means we put the sand and the chemicals in the bowl. So what happens next? We melt the sand and the chemicals. So when we melt the sand and chemicals, it becomes the liquid. It becomes liquid. What happens after it becomes a liquid? Then we shape the glass. What is the meaning of shape? Make it different things like glasses, like lamps, like mirrors. This is called the shape. You can make it a square. You can make it circle. You can make it triangle because it is liquid. You can shape the liquid. After this, we make many things from the glass, like mirrors, like lamps. So, number 1, take the sand. Number 2, add chemicals. Number 3, put them in a bowl. Number 4, melt the sand and chemicals. Number 5, shape the glass. Number 6, make many things from the glass. Now we wanted to complete the blanks, fill in the blanks. Iyad Muhammad. Egypt has many rivers or resources or cars.
Deserts. B. Deserts.
It is resources. Resources. Repeat again, please.
Resources.
Resources. Repeat, everyone. Resources.
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 Resources. Resources.
Thank you.
Resources.
Here.
Thanks. Thank you.
Number 2. We can make blank from sand. We can make deserts. Glass. Excellent.
Oh, wow.
No one is
can
raising
make
his
sand
hand.
and the chemicals to make a
What?
liquid. I said we can melt sand and the chemicals to make liquid.
Yes, we put sand and the chemicals and melt them to make liquid. Thank you.
Okay.
to answer. I am Omar
Who wants
Mustafa.
to answer?
I am Muhammad Sami.
I am
Yes,
Omar
you answer.
Mustafa.
Omar Mustafa. If you want to answer, raise your hand. Not on camera. Don't raise your hand on camera. Raise your hand by pressing under participants. You will find a button, raise hand. Like Omar Ala. Omar Ala raised his hand now.
Participants.
Yes, Omar.
I want to answer.
Omar Ala. Number 3. We can melt sand and the chemicals to make solids or liquids or gases.
Gases.
That's a good answer, but gases doesn't come from what?
Liquid.
Liquids. That's right. This is the right answer. Liquids.
Liquid. And
Liquids only. The answer is liquids only.
yes.
Mr. أنا محمد باسل. I go to bathroom.
Go.
Okay.
Complete the cycle for producing things from glass. He wants to know what comes first and what comes next and what comes in the end. Now, if you want to answer, raise your hand. Yasin Khalid.
Yes.
To make glass from sand, add what?
Chemicals.
That's right. Add chemicals. Ahmed Adli. Put everything in a
Ball.
Is it bowl or bowl?
Ball.
Let me check.
B-O-W-L.
I know I'm asking about the pronunciation. I know the letters.
Ball.
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 Ball. Thank you. Ball.
Ball.
Thank you, Ahmed Adli. Ball.
Ball. Welcome.
Muhammad Hilmi.
We made the sand and chemical.
Yes. Melt
Chemical.
the sand. Ahmed Hilmi.
Yes.
The sand and
Chemical.
chemical. Omar Mustafa.
Yes.
Do you want to answer?
Yes.
Raise your hand. Not in the camera. Raise your hand.
The participant.
Yes.
You don't know how?
Yes.
Can you see the word participants? Participants. Down. You can't see it?
No.
Next to the chat.
Yes, next to the picture.
يا عمر هتلاقي كلمة ديسي
موجودة تحت.
دوس على اللي فوق. دوس على اللي فوق. هتلاقي lower hand. هتلاقي مكتوب كلمة raise hand.
Who is talking?
عمر علاء.
Omar Ala, where is there is a hand?
In participants.
موجود.
In
You
participants.
find it?
In more and raise hand.
Did you find the word?
In more.
Yes. In more under the chat. In more under the chat.
More under the shed.
Next to the
Next to what?
To the shed. Mustafa, you take phone or
We have 19
people.
have in shed this
In the participants, not in the chat.
Now Omar Mustafa answer the question, and after this ask someone to help you to see where there is hands.
Okay.
Number 4, shape what?
Shape. Yeah. That's
Starting with G.
I know.
what?
Did you know the answer? Do you know the answer, Omar Mustafa?
Yes.
What is it?
No, no.
You don't know? It's okay. Thank you.
Mister, I know.
Can you help
Malik,
Yes.
stop. Silence, silence, please. Malik,
Less.
do you know how to raise your hand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Go.
Yes, Miss.
Can you complete the missing word, please?
L-A-S-S. Glass.
Thank you.
Or the glass.
Glass, not glass.
Mister, can we help Omar Mustafa to make
Yes,
his
you can
hand?
help him. If you know how to help him, help him.
Okay.
Omar.
You see, you find
Now,
yes.
students,
Raise hand. More.
now, students, look at the picture. These pictures are telling us what happens from the beginning to the end. The end is here. We eat vegetables. But what happens in the beginning? Number one for you. Another Egyptian natural resource is water. Students, natural resource, we make it or we don't make it? We don't make it. Omar, look here, please. Don't play. Look here, please. So the natural resource, we don't make it. It is the first picture. After this, what happens? Farmers give water to plants or farmers get water from the Nile? Think. I will ask you to answer. After farmers get water from the Nile, we eat vegetables or we buy vegetables or vegetables need water to grow? Now I will ask you to answer. You have to tell me what is number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Me.
If you want to answer, raise your hand. And Ahmed Adli also.
Somebody to Ibrahim.
Number 2.
Let me ask Omar Kamal. Number 1, another Egyptian natural resource is water. What is number 2?
Farmer get water from the Nile.
That's right. Excellent. This is number 2. Iyad Muhammad Ali.
Yes, teacher.
What is number 3?
Farmers give water to the plants.
Excellent. This is number 3.
I will say number 4 or...
I want to answer.
I can say number 4.
Wait a minute, please. Who wants to answer?
Iyad Muhammad.
Iyad, you answered before. Who said
No,
I
I can say number 4, but
Thank you. Thank you. Students, I can't see you all. If you want to answer, raise your hand. If you don't know how to raise your hand, ask someone to help you.
I want to answer and I raise your hand.
And who are you?
I'm Muhammad Saeed.
Muhammad Samir. Okay, Muhammad Samir. What is number 4?
And me. Number 4, we buy vegetables at the market.
This is number 4. What about vegetables? They need water to grow.
Number 4 is vegetables and water to grow.
Vegetables need water to grow. Thank you, Muhammad Samir.
Me.
Now I will choose from the people who raised their hand.
can I go to the bathroom?
Yasin Ahmed.
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can go. Yasin Ahmed. Yasin Ahmed. You raised your hand, Yasin Ahmed.
Yes. Mr.
Yes. Yes.
عايز أجاوب.
Ahmed Adli.
No, it's Muhammad.
Yes.
Who said that he wants to answer?
Muhammad Basil.
Muhammad Basil. Yes, Muhammad Basil didn't answer before. Muhammad Basil.
Yes.
Muhammad Basil.
Yes.
Ask someone to help you to see where is raise your hand button. Okay? Now answer number 5.
Number 5. We buy vegetables at the market.
That's right. Thank you.
Me, I am Ahmed Adli.
Ahmed Adli, sorry, I have to choose the students who answered before. Ibrahim Aiz. Ibrahim Aiz.
At the market.
Ibrahim Aiz.
Yeah.
Can you turn on your camera, please? Ibrahim Aiz, can you turn on your camera? I want to see your face.
Yeah.
Ibrahim Aiz, can you turn on your camera? Okay, let me see you. Yes, Ibrahim, you didn't come to school before, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read number 60, please? Read it.
Then we eat vegetables.
Thank you. Now you can turn off your camera if you want. It's okay. You can turn off your camera now. Thank you. Well, students, this is the end of unit 4.
Mister, I don't answer today.
You don't?
I raise my hand.
It's called the raise. Raise, Yusuf had not raise. Raise.
Raise.
Okay. Now we will have the first part of the story.
Mister, I know.
Page 93 in Connect Plus. 93 in Connect Plus.
93?
Yes.
Story?
93 in Connect Plus.
Connect Plus or Connect?
I love the story.
Connect Plus.
Connect Plus? Okay.
Mister, page number 1 in story.
93.
93.
Yes, 93.
Page 93. Page 93. Page 93. Page 93. Page 93. Page 93. Page 93.
Okay.
Page 93.
Okay.
Yes.
No.
We know.
Dr. Me, students.
Connect Plus.
Dr. Me.
I want to answer.
Paris lived in
Ambulance.
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 women.
Ambulance.
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 Teacher, close mine.
What? Mics? Okay.
Cast. Fish tank.
Okay. I will use for mic. Now repeat after me. Ambulance. Ambulance is a car. It takes sick people to hospital. Look at picture number 2. Repeat after me. Cast. Cast. We use cast with broken bones. We use cast with broken bones. If someone has a broken bones, if he broke his bones, he would wear a cast. Picture number 3, fish tank. Fish tank. Fish tank. Fish tank is a box for fish. Fish tank is a box for fish. Number 4, mask. 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 We use mask when we swim underwater. We use mask when we swim underwater. Number 5. Ram. 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 Ram is a place to walk in the street. Ram is a place to walk. Sorry. Ram is a place to skate. Ram is a place to skate. Look at the skateboard. Some children use ram to skate from one side to the other side. Number 6, skateboard. Skateboard. Skateboard is used to move on the ram. Skateboard is used to move on the ram. Number 7, snorkel. Snorkel, when you breathe underwater. When you breathe underwater, it is called the snorkel. Page 94. Faris, this is Faris, our hero in the story, lived in Hurghada with his family. He loved swimming. He went swimming every day and trained in the pool for an hour. He wanted to be an athlete and to win lots of competitions. Now, we will not complete this. We will stop here today and we go back to Connect. You can unmute yourself now, students.
Okay,
We go back to Connect.
Page what?
Page 70.
73. 72. 72.
If you want to answer, raise your hands.
Okay. Raise your hand. Okay. Okay.
Number 1, chair. Number 2.
Table.
The letters. Yasin Khalid.
Table.
Yes. What are the letters? T.
T-A-B-L-E.
Thank you.
B-L-E.
That's right. Excellent.
Mr. Page number what?
Page 72.
72.
72. 72. 72.
علاء. Omar Ala.
Yes.
Next plus.
No.
Yes.
Table.
What is number 3?
Number
F-A-O-S. I will help you the first letter. The first letter is S.
S.
This red one, what is this? What do we call this? Look at the picture, the red one.
I know.
What is it, Yusuf Khalid? The red.
Sofa.
Yes, what are the letters?
S-C-O.
S-O.
F.
F.
A.
That's right. Excellent.
Sofa.
Yusuf Khalid. Now Yusuf Khalid, answer number 4. What is it? This picture, what do we call it in English?
Clock.
Yes, what are the letters?
Clock.
C.
C-L-O-C-K.
Excellent, Yusuf Khalid.
Clock.
Yasin Ahmed.
Clock.
Yasin Ahmed.
Yes.
Yasin Ahmed. Answer number 7, Yasin Ahmed. Number 7.
Mr. Sofa is not in my book.
What?
Number 5, number 6.
Yasin Ahmed.
Yes.
What is number 7? This picture, what do we call it?
Lamb.
With L.
L-A.
A.
M.
M.
B.
Excellent.
Number 5.
Ahmed Adli.
Number 6.
Ahmed Adli.
Yes.
Number 5, please.
Cupboard.
U.
Cupboard.
Yes, cupboard.
B.
P.
P.
B.
B. O.
O.
A. R. D.
Excellent, Ahmed Adli.
Mister,
Yes.
I don't see sofa in my book.
You don't see what?
Cupboard. The cupboard.
You don't see what, Yusuf?
Sofa.
You don't see what?
Sofa.
What?
Sofa.
Sofa. This is sofa.
Sofa.
The red one is sofa. It is called
In my book,
couch or sofa.
in my book it's couch. Sofa.
In my
What?
book, I don't say.
You can't see the book?
Mister, in my book, I don't see sofa. I see couch. What sofa?
Ask me
In
name
his book,
Khalid.
sofa not there.
Page 72.
I'm from the coach.
Qusay.
Page 72.
Yes.
Number 6.
Case.
Bookcase. B.
Book. B-O-O.
O. O.
K.
K.
K. C.
E. A.
A. C.
S.
E.
E. Bookcase.
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 Table and the sofa and the clock and the cupboard and the bookcase and the lamp.
Not back. Bookcase.
This is the end.
Bookcase.
No, it's right. Bookcase, right. Right, you Umar Ala. Bookcase is right. Now, this is the end of our. Thank you.
Case.
Bookcase, not bookcase. Yeah.